Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing your environment so you can move fast. Install Azure CLI and Azure Functions core tools, then sign in using AsLogin. Make or choose a resource group and a storage account because functions require one. Once done, initialize a project with Func in it and select the runtime you need, then create a function with FuncNew. This gives you a working function scaffold locally, and you can inspect function. JSON and host. JSON to understand bindings and local settings before writing code. Now focus on implementation and validation. Choose the appropriate trigger, HTTP for APIs, timer for scheduled jobs, or blob/queue for storage events. Then implement the handler logic in your chosen language and update function. JSON bindings accordingly. Run func start to test locally and invoke the function repeatedly. Use local. Settings. JSON to store connection strings and feature flags so your code behaves like production. Make sure to mock external services during testing, and use breakpoints or logging to confirm input binding shapes and output behavior before deploying. Finish by deploying and validating in Azure. Use Func Azure Function App Publish for quick deploys, or set up GitHub Actions for repeatable CI/CD. Configure app settings and link application insights for telemetry. Create deployment slots for testing, swap to production when ready, and choose a plan to match scaling needs. For troubleshooting, check live logs in the portal and application insights traces first. Permission or connection, string errors, and network restrictions cause most failures. Verify settings, identity permissions, and storage access if functions fail to start.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.